Welcome to Pont Neuf Studio. My name is Kristen and this tutorial is the super quick shortened version of the Cross My Heart bag. The regular full-length version is available on my channel. It is linked below along with the pattern. For your bag, use Woolly's Thick and Quick yarn and around a 6.5mm crochet hook. Start by making 17 chains and then 3 rows of half double crochet. Once you've completed your third row, you're going to work around your entire project, placing 2 half double crochet stitches in each corner, 3 half double crochet stitches on the sides, and 1 half double crochet stitch along the top and bottom. For round 5, work all the way around, placing 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch. For round 6, place an increase on each side. For round 7, do the same thing where you place another increase on each side. For rounds 8, 9, and 10, place 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Turn your bag right side out. Place 4 slip stitches through both the front and the back of the bag. Place 7 slip stitches through only the back. This should bring you to the middle. Place a slip stitch in the middle stitch and chain 8 for the loop. Slip stitch down into the same exact stitch to form your loop. Once your loop is formed, slip stitch through the back of the next 7 stitches. You should have 4 stitches left. Slip stitch through both the front and the back of these. Cut your yarn and weave in the tails. Next, we'll be working on the strap. When you make your slip knot for the strap, leave at least a long 8-inch tail. Chain 70 and then make 2 rows of half double crochet. When you finish off your second row of half double crochet, leave a long 8-inch tail. Position your straps a couple rows down on the side and whip stitch it to the side, going back and forth twice so your strap is nice and secure. Do the same thing on the other side. Finish off and add your button. The button is linked below in the description box. Your bag is now complete. Thanks for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy crochet tutorials.